How does a toddler's brain absorb language so fast? Imagine a sponge soaking up water quickly. That's how a toddler's brain absorbs language. From the moment they are born, their brain is ready to learn words, sounds, and patterns. This natural ability is built into their biology, making language learning almost effortless during these early years. Their brains are wired with special areas like Broca's area, which helps produce speech, and Wernicke's area, which helps understand language. These parts work together seamlessly to process what they hear and turn it into words they can use. Babies are born with what scientists call a language acquisition device. This means their brains are pre-programmed to pick up language rules just by listening. When they hear words, their brains start making guesses about what those words mean and how they fit into sentences. This guessing game is how they learn grammar and expand their vocabulary without formal teaching. In the first year, a toddler's brain becomes very good at recognizing the sounds of their native language. This process, called neural commitment, helps them focus on the sounds that matter most. It also helps them ignore sounds that are not part of their language. This ability to tell the difference between sounds speeds up their recognition of words and helps them learn faster. Caregivers play a big role in this process. When they speak in what is called parentese, with exaggerated tone and clear pronunciation, it makes it easier for toddlers to focus on the sounds. Talking back and forth with your child, responding to their sounds, and reading books together all boost their language skills. These activities give their brains more chances to connect words to meanings and practice using them. Toddlers go through stages of language development. First, they start babbling and saying their first words around 6 to 11 months. Then, they begin using single words to express ideas, usually between 12 and 18 months. As they grow, they start combining two words into simple phrases, and by around 2 years old, they often speak in short sentences. Each stage shows their brain is maturing and becoming better at understanding and using language. Supporting your toddler with lots of talking, reading, and listening helps their brain make these connections faster. Be patient with their mistakes because experimenting with sounds and words is part of how they learn. Remember, their brain is naturally built to soak up language quickly, and your encouragement makes a big difference in helping them reach their developmental milestones.